Okay, it looks like none of the wood I have here is pressure treated, and definitely I need something that's a little bit more water resistant. So I had to go to Lowe's, and I bought myself some 2x6s because I need some of that at least for the height. I built a frame. The frame is slightly smaller than the shower itself. It's like, and it gives me an inch clearance on each side, so this way it wouldn't be too hard getting it in and out. The studs are 12 inches. The joists are 12 inches on center, so it's more than enough to support it. And so this way I can bring this frame in and set it on the floor and then put in the Trex on top, because once I started picking up the lumber and seeing how heavy it was, it would be almost impossible to try to carry it in all in one piece. So the Trex I got is the same color as the paint in the room, so that should come out nice. So the decking will basically match, be a little color coordinated. So what I'll have is these little blocks on the bottom. These are 3/4 of an inch, and that'll raise it up somewhat because I need 7 1/4. So if I put a block underneath the actual frame, that'll raise it up, and I'll put 4 of them, one on each corner. So this way the water can flow underneath the 2x6s, so they're not going to be sitting on the wood. And then on top of it, I'll put the Trex. So that should give me a full 7 1/4. And that's what I got, 7 1/4. So that'll match right underneath the, right in front of the piece of marble that's in there. So when you go to step in or step out, it'll be the same level. So the only height you're going to have to deal with is like the 2 inches when you first initially step in. So let me get this frame inside and start cutting some of the Trex and see how it works out. I'm going to screw these things in to the bottom, and these are water resistant screws. They're used for Durarock or Wonderboard, so it won't have any problem with any kind of rust. So let's carry it in and see what happens.